Hey everyone, it's Roy from Financial Intake, and today we're diving into Intel's Q3 2024 earnings report. Intel has had an impactful quarter with significant cost reduction actions and strategic moves in its core segments. Whether you're an investor or tech enthusiast, this breakdown will cover Intel's financial highlights, key business unit updates, and forward-looking guidance. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump right in. Intel reported $13.3 billion in revenue for Q3 2024, a 6% year-over-year decrease. The company recorded a GAAP net loss of $16.6 billion, primarily impacted by restructuring charges and asset impairments. The adjusted non-GAAP net loss was $2.0 billion, and non-GAAP EPS was 0.46. CEO Pat Gelsinger highlighted Intel's progress in streamlining operations, while CFO David Zinsner emphasized the company's strong commitment to achieving $10 billion in cost reductions by 2025. Intel is focused on refining its structure and setting the foundation for long-term profitability and growth. This quarter, Intel took substantial steps toward restructuring, including $2.8 billion in restructuring charges and $15.9 billion in asset impairment charges, primarily related to manufacturing assets. These efforts are part of Intel's strategy to optimize production and improve efficiency in a challenging market environment. The restructuring charges affected Intel's profitability in the short term, but aim to streamline the business, cut operational expenses, and position Intel for future innovation. By 2025, Intel targets $10 billion in cumulative cost savings, aligning with its goal to enhance operational flexibility. Intel's Client Computing Group, CCG, responsible for personal computing products, generated $7.3 billion in revenue, a 7% decline year-over-year. This segment faced challenges, but Intel remains committed to the AI PC market, with plans to ship over 100 million AI-enabled PCs by the end of 2025. Key product launches, like the Intel Core TM Ultra series, position Intel as a leader in the AI-enabled PC space. These processors deliver better battery life, performance, and integrated AI features, targeting mobile and desktop platforms. The Data Center and AI DCAI segment saw $3.3 billion in revenue, a 9% increase year-over-year. Intel launched its next-generation Intel R Xeon R processors, which offer improved core counts and integrated AI acceleration, as well as Intel R Gaudi R3 AI accelerators, now available on IBM Cloud. The growth in DCAI demonstrates Intel's commitment to meeting the needs of enterprise AI and data center customers. With key partnerships like the one with IBM, Intel is positioning itself as a preferred choice for AI and cloud computing infrastructure. In the Network and Edge (NEX) segment, Intel reported $1.5 billion in revenue, reflecting a 4% increase. Intel's 4th-gen Xeon Scalable processors have seen strong demand, and a major design win with KDDI, a global telecom provider, has strengthened Intel's position in the telecom infrastructure market. NEX's performance highlights Intel's focus on expanding its edge computing capabilities and delivering high-performance solutions to the telecom industry, a key growth area as network demands increase globally. Intel Foundry Services generated $4.4 billion in revenue, down 8% year-over-year. Despite challenges, Intel remains focused on establishing its foundry as a leading entity with its Intel 18A process, slated to bring new levels of performance and efficiency. Intel also announced a multi-billion-dollar partnership with AWS to develop custom Xeon and AI chips, aligning with Intel's strategy to capitalize on the demand for advanced computing solutions. This partnership and funding from the CHIPS Act will support Intel's role in securing U.S. semiconductor leadership. Looking ahead, Intel forecasts Q4 2024 revenue between $13.3 billion and $14.3 billion, with GAAP EPS of $0.24 and non-GAAP EPS of $0.12. The focus remains on cost reduction, strategic partnerships, and maximizing value through product innovation. Intel's guidance reflects optimism in its restructuring progress, though challenges persist, including industry competition and demand volatility. However, Intel's streamlined structure and commitment to cutting-edge technology provide a solid foundation for future growth. In summary, Intel's Q3 2024 earnings highlight a challenging yet transformational quarter. With strong cost reduction actions, product innovations, and partnerships, Intel is positioning itself for a competitive comeback. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay updated on Intel's journey and other top tech companies, please like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech insights.